Good morning, Green Bay viewers. I'd like to welcome you today to a brand new project happening here in Vallejo. Part of this construction is getting a full house remodel done. So let's walk through the project and I'll show you how everything is gonna come out. We're actually gonna be relocating the whole kitchen and converting the garage to a livable space. This is where our kitchen is currently located. We're gonna be moving this whole kitchen right into this garage over here and actually converting this whole garage to a livable space. We're gonna be doing new foundation, new framing, new cabinets and appliances, practically touching every part of this house. So stay tuned. We're gonna walk you through it as we go. So this is it. Everything you see here wasn't here. This was actually a garage before we started. We were able to utilize an unconditioned space as the garage and basically convert this to a gorgeous space that will work for the homeowners with these beautiful vaulted ceilings. We were able to give our homeowners a beautiful and functional kitchen that will actually serve them for years to come. Throughout the project, you can see here we did all new flooring, painting for the house, new lighting throughout the house. So this is our master suite, guys. One of our more complicated parts here we had to do was we had an empty blank space here with a bedroom and a small closet. We wanted to make this more comfortable for our homeowners. So we basically added a full walk-in closet and a master bathroom, basically making this space as a master suite. We got our double sink vanity, our beautiful walk-in shower, and our tub right behind the space here.
Hi, I'm Melissa Berrios Penny, and I'm in Vallejo, and this is my home that we had completely renovated. My first meeting with them was great. They came in, they basically heard what our ideas were, and it felt like that first meeting we already started planning everything. And we left the meeting feeling excited and feeling like hopeful and like, yeah, I think we're gonna go with these guys. It's gonna be a good experience. So it was a wonderful first meeting. And yeah, I feel like we were heard. The workers crew showed up when they said they were gonna show up, and they worked long hours. They were here a lot. Joseph was great. It was nice to have somebody do all of that legwork and organize, so we just dealt with one person. It does take a lot of pressure off when you've got somebody to arrange all the permits and to do the drawings for you and to make sure that everything is running smoothly. And so I was very happy with that, and I would definitely hire them again.
So Green Bay viewers, this is the end of this video. So as you heard from our project manager Joseph and from Melissa, the homeowner, the project went as smooth as possible. We tackled all issues from the smallest to the largest in this project, and we succeeded in each one of our mission. I believe that we brought a huge difference to our clients' life, to the environment they're living in, and I hope they will enjoy it for many years to come. And thank you guys for everything. It was an amazing journey, and we'll guys see you in our next project.